Do you have any questions, sir?
No fucking nerves!
You're 21 and you have all these priors? What the heck, man?
Everybody perfect.
Don't say anything. It's a rhetorical question. 1, 2, 3, 4. Assault, criminal trespass, attempted assault on a public servant, possession of a controlled substance, unauthorized absence from a correctional facility, felony retaliation, assault, felony assault, assault of a public servant, assault of a public servant, harassment of a public servant, assault of a public servant, now 2 counts of a burglary of a motor vehicle and a robbery. Something's not taking. Let's do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you. Please.
On May 22nd, 2024, officers responded to an apartment complex and observed the defendant detained by citizens. Complainant advised that he was inside of his apartment and observed the defendant sitting in the driver's seat of his vehicle. Complainant got his brother, went outside, and observed the defendant walking away. Complainant and his brother attempted to stop the defendant and got into a physical altercation with him. And at one point, defendant pepper sprayed complainant's brother. 3 other tenants heard the commotion and came outside to also find that their vehicles had been broken into and they were unable to start due to damage to their control panels. One complainant advised that his phone was taken from his car. Defendant was found with the phone and a programming device used to start cars without their keys, and defendant admitted to burglarizing vehicles.
Was the robbery due to the pepper spray?
1 moment.
Everything I was already taken. I don't see where the robbery comes in. He took everything from the vehicle.
Yes, Judge. It is charged. It is pled as spraying the complainant. The robbery.
With the intent to obtain and maintain control of the property, intentionally or knowingly and recklessly cause the bodily injury by spraying the complainant with a chemical agent. Not only that, you're enhanced with the felony retaliation. So are we looking at a 15 to life? Jay, is this a 15 to life case? Our case number is 2511-521. Fifth, it's elevated to a 5 to life. I don't know about giving you a PR bond, man. All I care about is public safety, Mr. Haywood, and I don't know if we get it with you. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond, if you get out, to remain under home confinement, to have a GPS monitor, not to have any contact with the complaining witness, and not to go within 1,000 feet of this apartment. It's an apartment complex?
Yes, sir.
Not to go within 1,000 feet of this apartment complex. No weapons, undergo random drug testing for alcohol and any kind of dope. Your bond now is set at $15,000 in the robbery case. They give you PR bonds with ours. I don't know if I'm down with that, you know, not with that kind of criminal history and the fact that he just had an assault dismissed of a servant. So guys, please, home confinement, no weapons.
He does work at a tire shop on,
Really?
Yes, sir. My other job was in Dickerson, Texas. It's the same people. I was doing moonwalks and tires, sir.
You scare me, Mr. Haywood. Truly. At 21 and with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 priors at 21, and now you're charged with 3 cases, one of those being a 5 to life first-degree felony? Ha! I'm sorry, Alan. He scares me. Just bottom line. My only concern is public safety, Mr. Hayward. That's all I care about in this life. You know, you live in Texas. You don't live in Montana, Wyoming. People like their guns and they like their cars. Not a month ago, someone died from a gunshot because of breaking into a car. And the way you look at me now tells me what I can look forward to. All right. Please don't send them down because we need them to sign conditions, please. There's no co-defendant, or was there a co-defendant? If there is no contact with the co-defendants.
No co-defendant.
No co-defendants, there's just him? Got it. You were charged with indecent exposure. You wanted to do the PC on indecent?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with indecent exposure. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir.
May 26, 2024, officers were dispatched to a defendant touching his private area at the Metro-owned downtown transit center located on 1900 Main Street, Harris County, Texas. The officer was advised by Metro Dispatch that the complainant called and stated that the defendant was exposing himself to her. Complainant told officers that the defendant was a black male in a blue hoodie and boarded a Metro bus, and then ultimately pointed the bus that he had boarded. Matching the description, and complainant witness confirmed that that was the same person. Complainant stated that the defendant followed her from across the street, pulled out his penis, and started exposing it to her and looking at her. She further stated that the defendant began stroking his penis back and forth with his hands, looking at her without speaking, approximately 5 to 10 feet away. The complainant stated that she was unable to tell if he was erect, but she was able to clearly see his penis as he was stroking.
Your Honor, after speaking with my client, the officers approached 2 males. I have to wait on body cam to see what the other male looked like, but my client's saying that wasn't him. He just.
I mean, I don't know. I think that there's probable cause to go forward now. Mr. Lane. Mr. Lane, we will get the body cam to ensure and see if that is in fact you, because we don't know. All we know is that we have someone that has identified you. I will try to have them get the body. Do you have it now? What evidence do you have now?
This is a brand new case, Your Honor. This is the 26th, so I don't know. There's nothing in yet, so I literally just wrote this up before I came to court.
Okay, I will, Mr. Lane, I will try to have them get the information and the body cams as quick as possible so we can verify that it is you. I would say let's try hopefully a week. The problem is that I can't give you a PR bond because you continue to take off on us. I had your evading arrest at 7503 because we can't get you here. So, okay. Do you have any questions, sir?
No fucking nerves!
Right now, you're on probation for a felon in possession of a weapon. You're also on probation for possession of a controlled substance in the felony case. You picked up in April with us, you picked up an assault bodily injury. You have literally been given 3 PR bonds and you continue to take off.
I
So,
didn't get PR bond, sir.
but you have. I'm showing that you failed to appear 516.
I just got a PR bond, sir. Oh, excuse me.
Listen to Dave.
So Roberto, please don't go. Okay, so I have 3 different occasions that you failed to appear. I cannot, in my good conscience, give you a PR bond when you continue to take off, because I know if we give you another PR bond, what's going to happen?
I haven't had a PR bond, sir. I bonded out, and it's the only reason I'm back right here right now, sir, is because someone took their name off the bond. I haven't did anything else and gotten in trouble. Someone just took their name off the bond because I couldn't get a co-signer. That's the only reason I'm back in jail right now.
I also have that you have failed to appear on 3 different occasions. Okay,
I haven't.
so so what we're doing, regardless, your bonds are set at $55,000 upstairs.
And I'm gonna make the bond this Saturday. That way I can take care of this stuff
You
better.
make the bond, I am now going to make you wear a GPS monitor so I know where you are at all times, okay?
Yes, sir.
But I cannot give you a PR bond in this case, okay? Because you just don't show up when we ask you to show up. So regardless, you have Greg representing you now. If you do get out, please stay in contact with him. If you get out, you post bond and you jet on me again, Ms. Gallardoni, I'm going to triple, if not quadruple the bond.
Thank
You
you, Judge.
understand?
Yes, sir.
All we're asking you to do is show up.
All right.
That's it. And stay out of trouble.
All right.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
I know that the felony courts are trying to have you evaluated as well. Do it, because if you don't, the only thing it does is it prolongs your case even more.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
I think that we're okay. I don't think that there's,
Okay, Your Honor, thank you.
yeah. So,
I don't think I'm not showing a felony court date for her, but then I was showing,
I am showing 7/29.
okay, you got that 7/29 phone.
Your court date for your felony cases are July 29th. Okay?
Yes, sir.
We don't do that long. Okay, we'll do just 30 days and then we'll come back and then go from there.
Okay, Your Honor, perfect.
Thanks, Steve. Appreciate it. All right, good luck, Ms. Gallardo.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna tell you now, you ever take off on me again, I will put you over my knee and I'm gonna spank you with so much of a high bond, you're gonna go flip and split into 3. Do you understand, Mr. Chavez?
Sir.
As it stands now, I'm rolling this case to tomorrow to see whether they're gonna honor their offer. And if not, then I'm just gonna set your case for trial. Be back here tomorrow and we'll see if he can still finagle this thing for you. If so, you've got 2 weeks to complete this thing. You ain't got it done, I will set your case immediately for trial.
Now reset for, and I just come back.
No, I'm not gonna, no, I want to make sure that he's good at 600 days old. You gonna be here tomorrow?
Yes, I'll be here tomorrow. Yes,
Okay.
I certainly will.
I doesn't matter to me if it's a little inconvenience to you, Mr. Chavez. It's 600 days old. I want to know exactly what's gonna happen. Do you understand? See you tomorrow.
Just hold off right there.
You charged with theft, aggregate theft. It's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the amount. So you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, ma'am.
On March 13, 2024, officers were dispatched to 7-Eleven gas station, complainant viewed on surveillance the now defendant skip scanning and not charging customers for Texas scratch-off lottery tickets and Texas online lottery tickets into the 7-Eleven's point-of-sale computer system. She totaled 52 tickets that had been stolen on April 25th, 2024, valued at $574. And there were also online Texas lottery tickets printed out by the defendant, 58 tickets valued at $220. And 50 cents. And so she's been charged with theft ag, Class A misdemeanor.
So I don't, you went fast. What happened?
So she
You
skipped.
skip scanning?
Yes, Judge, and into the point of sale computer system. And so she stole a value of $574 worth of scratch off lottery tickets and printed out $220 worth of 58 tickets that were not also entered into the point of sale system. So it's a theft aggregate.
And I'm curious, if you skip scan lottery tickets and you win, what happens? It's a rhetorical question, but I gotta imagine nothing good
I'm gonna do
happened.
some research on that.
If you win $3 million on a skip scan, what's gonna happen?
Yeah.
You forfeit it anyways?
I read some.
All right, Ms. Torres, I'm gonna find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to go back to this location. Do you understand? Also, do not pick up any new cases. If I find that you go back, you talk to the complaining witness, or you pick up any new cases, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. Okay. As it stands now, your bond is set at $100. Do you want a PR bond?
She wants some PR bond.
Okay.
Trying to save as much money as she can.
I will not, I'm telling you now, I'll give you a PR bond, but you'll never get another one.
Yes, sir.
You understand? Okay. So, Mr. Kim, do you mind filing no contact, no going back, and then no new cases, please? Now, you have a lawyer. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with Mr. Mercer. If he tells you that he can't get a hold of you because you're playing games, you're ducking and dodging his phone calls, I will revoke your bond. I'll issue a warrant for your arrest. I will waive your appearance so you don't have to mindlessly come to court, but you always must stay in touch with him. He'll tell you if and when you have to come back to court. Okay? For now, I'm going to have you go to Victoria. We'll have you sign a reset. After that, we'll have you take your seat in the jury box, or we'll get all your paperwork ready. We'll have you sign it, and after that, you'll be free to go. Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. You're now charged with 2 DWI seconds. You know, the only thing that we want in our country, we want our streets to be safe. Do you know that Harris County leads the nation per capita in DWI fatalities? Guys, keep it down, please. We lead the nation in fatalities. And here you are charged with 2 open DWI seconds.
Let that statistic sink in. Per capita, Harris County leads the nation in DWI deaths. This isn't a hypothetical lecture. This is Judge Fleisher speaking directly to a massive local crisis. He's connecting this one defendant's actions to a community-wide trauma. He's not just judging a case. He's begging for a change in behavior before another life is lost. The emotion here is 100% real.
What is it going to take to get through to you? Is it someone dead where you go to prison for 30 to 40 years? Is that what it's going to take? Understand that if you ever come back to this country and you're in a car driving and you get pulled over, an officer is going to see DWI, DWI, DWI. If they smell alcohol, what do you think they're going to do to you?
He said, me va a castigar.
He's gonna punish me,
Pero yo ya no pienso volver.
but I don't think I'm gonna come back.
I didn't hear you. We'll get there. But if you're caught in a car with alcohol on your breath, what do you think officers will do to you when they see your record?
Es cuando vean el récord, que te ven que estás borracho, que crees que van a hacer ellos.
Me van a meter a la cárcel.
You're gonna go to prison.
Not jail, prison. From now on, because of your history, you'll be facing a minimum of 2 years in prison, a maximum of 10 years in prison. Not only that, you're now being deported to your country of origin. If you come back, the feds can hit you with an illegal re-entry, and then with that, you're looking at a minimum of 5 years in federal prison on that one as well. So I would be very careful if you come back, how you come back. Because you could be the next time be facing a lot of time in prison. The only thing we want are streets to be safe. That's all we're asking to do. If you're gonna go drink 15 beers, find another way home. Don't drive.
Manejes, encontrar otra manera de llegar a casa, pero no manejes.
Do you understand?
¿Tienes? Sí. Yes.
Guys, keep it down. I'm not asking for much.
No estoy pidiendo mucho.
You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement, Mr. Gutierrez. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this agreement, you can never change this. Like I told you now, you will be deported. If you come back illegally, you could be facing a lot of time in federal prison, so I would be very careful. Not only that, you get into a car with alcohol, you're going to be facing even more time with up to 10 years. How do you plead to this offense, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I will find you guilty, sentence you to 60 days in jail. I'll give you credit for the 30 days, the 32 days that you've done. I'm going to suspend your license for 2 years. Don't drive.
Manejes.
Don't drive.
Manejes.
Okay.
Hey, Judge.
Oh, hold on. Roberto, case was enhanced.
No, preguntar si es cierto o no es cierto que tenéis un previo para decir si es cierto.
Is it true or untrue that you had a prior DWI from 2015 here in Court 5?
5. ¿Es cierto o no es cierto? Yes, it's true.
True to the enhancement. Okay, good luck. I am now going to have you come and test with me every Monday and Thursday. If you ever test positive for anything else, I'm going to put you in a rehab facility, locked down in the jail. You're going to sign an affidavit with me, and I'm telling you, if I find that you're using cocaine, I will hold you in contempt, slap you with 180 days in jail, probate it for 2 years, and put you in a lockdown rehab facility. Do you understand? The reason I'm having you come so much is because cocaine gets out of your system every 3 days. So I'm having you test for the foreseeable future. And if I'm telling you, I'm going to make your bond so high, you're also going to flip. Well, actually, I mean, you'll be in a rehab facility. You can't get out. So you can either control these demons yourself. If I find that you can't, then I'll do it for you. I promise you, you're not going to like whether I do it. Also, Mr. Cardona, you're not to be in possession of weapons as well. If I find that you have a weapon, likewise in this one, I'll deem you a public danger and make you bond $50,000.
Antonio Runyon.
So another Monday, Thursday, here, guys. Let me see, let me get my list.
That's Monday and Thursday. That's going to be last week. I was Thursday. That's your skill set.
Hold on. I need you to sign this affidavit for me. So this is what you'll be signing today. A promise that you're not to use any alcohol. Guys, keep it down, please. No cocaine, marijuana, meth, any illegal substances. I'm also including alcohol and no weapons. You will be signing this, promising me that you're not going to do this. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I will hold your feet to the fire if I need to. All right, come on. You know, I think that, well, number one, I'm going to find no probable cause in your case, okay? I think that probably the best thing that should have happened is I would have called the authorities. And I think that that's probably the most proper response for future reference. If you see something like that happen, call the police. You know, I don't know if you did in this instance or not. Did you? I would continue to call 911 until you finally get someone who's going to respond and get someone there as quick as possible. You can't take the law into your own hands because, you know, when you do, bad things happen. Just for future reference, I'm saying from now on, I would continue to call 911 until you get someone who actually responds to you. For now, I'm finding no probable cause in your case, and they're going to dismiss it. Okay, so you're free to go. Okay, good. Take care. Thank you, sir. Yeah, great. So that's it, right? Mr. Miller, you are wanted out of the state of Georgia for aggravated assault and terroristic threats and act. Are you waiving formal extradition, sir? Okay, we wish you the best of luck.
Hey, Judge.
Thank you, sir.
Could you explain to me the process to me?
So what happens is you have an open warrant out of Georgia for both of these cases and they want you. So we give them the opportunity to come and get you. We give them 14 days to come and get you. If they don't get you by then, the DAs file a motion to dismiss and then they release you. But understand that just if they release you because Georgia doesn't come for some reason, which they probably will, but if they don't, the warrant is still active. So as soon as you walk out of jail, they can still pick you up and bring you right back to jail because
But not in the jail, but on the corner, that's what you're saying.
Right, right. I mean, you have this warrant open until you go back to Georgia and take care of it. So for the rest of your life, if you never go back to Georgia to take care of it, it's going to be open forever. Okay. But they're coming, right?
Yes.
Georgia has already indicated that they're coming to get you. Okay? Yeah.